It's a tough one, but at the midway point, to be honest, I'd have to say, I'd have to err on the side that no. But it's actually dependent on many a factor, I'd say. First of all, we need to sign a striker. With Stockley out, and it sounds like it's a bit of a complicated hip injury, so he could be out for a longer period of time. Hopefully Washington's not out for too long. But even then, I just thought, watching Josh Davison against Wickham in the first half, he's just not. He's not the answer for right now. Like we need an actual number 9 that's actually going to start kicking on and actually get some goals. But I was looking at the table, and with 14 points off the playoffs now, midway point, you would say that it's more than possible. I mean, look at Blackpool last season; they literally basically did a very similar thing. But I just feel like this season we've kind of got to. Again, it's dependent on so many things. Injuries, I think the Stockley injury that's a massive factor because I don't like the way he makes us play because it's quite direct, but he does score goals in this league. You can't deny that. So that's a big factor. If we get the players in, again, that's another factor. But yeah, just on if you just ask me now, no, it's just too difficult. I mean, Adkins has given us a mountain to climb, which I just don't really think. 14 points is a lot of points when you're making them up. So it'd have to be a no from me.
Is there any way we can make a success of the season?
To be honest, I think in the bigger picture is really, let's be honest, that we're not under ESI, and just having that having Jackson now, a bit of freedom, and just if it's still a bit of a feel good factor about Sandgard and stuff. I know there's been a bit of controversy with the women's team and things like that, but. I feel like he's actually committed into the club. He's bought into Charlton, and we spent a bit of money. I don't know how much it was, probably. Even signing Jayasimi and signing Kirk and things like that. That's a big step forward for us because last 7-8 years, I don't even remember signing anyone for a fee. It's basically all been free transfers or loans or players with prolonged histories of injuries and things like that.
What about the Papa Johns?
Yeah, I think. You know what? I know it's the Pizza Cup or whatever. Going to Wembley and not really caring what the result would be a good day out, to be honest. If we won that, yeah, win the Pizza Cup, and that's a victory for the season.
And lastly, who might we be looking to move on in the transfer window?
I think Ali Morgan's got to get game time. I think he just needs to drop a league. Sort of a Carl and Grant situation, I think. Low on confidence. I think he went to Crawley, came back, and he literally became. He was unbelievable, wasn't he? And then I'd say, I think Josh Davison, he's got to go out on loan somewhere or something because that performance. I know I've said it before, but that performance in the first half for Wickham was nigh on a disgrace, to be honest. Who else would I say? Deji Elawire could do it with a loan. I think he looks really promising. We've got a lot of centre backs, so definitely him. And I don't know. Obviously Harry Arter's left, which had to happen. I think we're paying a fair amount, probably not that much, but he's probably one of our top earners, wasn't he?